green, Cecilia green, ancient automaton of justice!
He's just a baby. You can't even drink coffee.
Shut up, sewer rat.
僕もできるよ。This isn't a contest! なかなか高性能なようだね。Oh, mosquito. 僕に任せてよ。
You must approach these problems with elegance. Ancient
Hey, did you use one of the outlets in the office?
Spin to win.
Stop changing the topic. You're stealing electricity.
This was clearly the most efficient way to go about this. I couldn't bear to see Babe pathetically sprawled out with every last drop of blood drained out of her, now could I?
Just what kind of mosquito was it?
Follow it!
うわ、いいな。僕のパーツと交換しようよ。
If we make it through this.
But the mosquito really left.
So fast.
僕のこれ使って。
So this is Roboko-san's heart.
これで人類を救って。
No. Let's go, my friend.
Literally just a muzzy. We just killed a person!
This doesn't really count as a person, though.
So here's like kill man.
Everything man has created only brings suffering to the living.
I'll come with you.
Humanity must perish for justice.
What is going on here?